Hey guys, welcome back to the fourth lesson of this worship breakdown lesson. Okay, if you're missing the rest, I'll be linking the links of the breakdown we have done so far. That is the 1 to 3 lesson. You can see the link in the description or in the comment section below. Go and check out the previous worship breakdown. Okay, please guys, I won't be posting the groove of this lesson we are about to go through in this channel, okay, due to the copyright issue. Go and check out the groove in my other channel, understand the groove, understand the baseline, the progression, and come to this channel for the breakdown. Okay, I'll be linking the breakdown in that other channel, that's the video in the video description. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, as you all know, the key was played on G. Okay, the key was played on G. Okay, so let me first say out the progression before we can check out the groove. Okay, so please, I'm not feeling well, so I might sound funny. Okay, so bear with me, please. So da 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 da. Okay, so let's check out on that area. Okay, so do do fa so do. Okay, so it goes like this. Dun, da, da, da. I slide it to my fa. Okay, now to my so I play re fa so. Now back to my do, ti do. So now I'll be going to my fa. So this is what I did. Da. Okay, so do your roots and your octave. Then you come back to your roots again. That is your do. Then you play your re. So la, re mi. That is do re mi. So la, re mi. Da da. Re so. Ti do. Da 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 da. That's the progression. Da 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 da. Okay, so the bass line I played over there was very simple. So da 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 da. That is, I slide into my T. Da da da. Ti do la do re re so. So the first one. Da 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 da. So la do re re so. Okay, and the second one I did something like this. Okay, so la ti do re mi la re. I'm on my re, la fa mi re. Okay, so that's why I want you to check out the groove before you listen to the breakdown. Okay, so the first one goes like this. The second one. You see the two difference. Okay, so now let's continue. Da 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 besumo da da da. The progression. Da da fa, your 4 again, fa, back to your mi, your la, your re, so do. Okay, so da 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 da, the ending, da da. So now this is where you be going to your fa. So I did a passing note, da 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 da. So you can copy this and use it out there if you're going to a fa. Even if it's a la to your fa, if it's a do to your fa, you can use it. Okay, so la ti do mi fa. Remember that you still remain on the fa. So I did a cool fills over here. Okay, so la ti do mi fa. Okay, so da. Okay, so la ti do mi fa mi re do so far. Okay, I hope you're getting it. So copy this. Okay, so now to your mi. So another cool way you can play riding from your fa to your mi. Okay, instead you can also do like fa. You understand? But I don't want to play the open string now. So you want to ride to your mi here. Okay. Okay, so fa, sol, la, do, re, mi. Okay, so fa, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, re, mi. Okay, because from fa you go to your mi. You understand? So fa, sol. Okay, then now to your la. It seems I've done this before. Okay, so. Okay, so mi, re, so re, mi, so, la, ti, mi, la, re, mi, so, la, ti, mi, la. Now to your re, so re, mi, so, la, re, mi, re. Okay, so now let's join them together from your fa to your re. Okay, the progression. Da 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 da. You see, it's very easy. Okay, so down, la da da. That is re. That is re, la, re, so. Then you end your song. Ti, do. Okay, so I'm teaching you the easy way you can play this worship song. Okay, so if you want to learn the lick I played, I'm gonna teach that, so that in case when you've done with the easy part, you can now move to the next level by learning the licks, and you can also keep the licks and also use it out there for your own personal use. Okay, so okay, so it's very simple. Do 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 do. Remember that your fa, you're playing it like 2 times. It's not like you'll be playing no, the so you be playing, still play that with your fa. You understand? But if you want to take it to your soul, it's still cool that way. Okay, so the lick I played it this way. Okay, so re, mi, la, ti, do, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, so, mi, fa. You do it again. Okay, mi, fa, mi, re, do, la, so, fa. Then remember you'll be playing the fa again. So that is do, so, fi, fa. Okay, so I did something like that. Now to my mi. Okay, so it seems I didn't do that in my worship, but let me just teach this. So fa. Okay, so to my mi, now to my la, if you remember. So do re mi re, do ti la, mi do ti la. Okay, so okay, mi so la re so. So do, the easy way to end your worship song. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. So it is like fa mi. So you understand? Okay. So dun, 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 that is fa. Then you slide to your T. Do re do ti. It's like you're also soloing. You understand? You're also changing the groove to something better. Okay, so okay, so ti do re do ti. Then you play your solar. Then you play your fourth string open. Okay, so then you come back to your re. Okay, so learn this very well. You can use it very well. I hope you got that. Okay, so you can pick two or three or four bass lines from these lessons I've given you. Use them out there, or you can also use them in this song in case you made a song in a program. Okay, so guys, I'll see you next time in my next video upcoming, and I'll be posting more of these worship songs and praises and also reggae and all those kind of music in there. Okay, so I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye for now.